What I played is not something hard, it's not that difficult, it's very easy, simple. Just pay attention. I'm going to break it down to you to the level you're going to understand. So let's go. I'm actually playing on the key of F. La mi la so re so, 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 mi la re re, mi la so re so, re re mi la re re mi la so re so, re re mi la. So the second one is la 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 do re 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 la so, so mi fa mi re do la 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 do re 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 la so, so mi fa mi re do la la do re 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 la so, so mi fa mi re do. The third one is do. You start from do. Do mi la 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 do do fa do so re so so ti fa la do mi la 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 do fa la do so re so so ti fa la do mi la 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 do fa la do so re so so ti fa la do. So let's play it faster. So the last one is very simple too. You have your do re mi fa so la la on the second string. So what you do is you just slide it la la mi re. Okay, let me break it down. After do re mi fa so la ti do re mi re do ti la so fa mi re do so la ti. So you la 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 mi re so 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 re do fa la 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 mi re so 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 re do fa. So that's it. You can decide to also change the pattern. La la mi la mi so re fa do do la mi la mi so re fa do do la mi la mi so re fa do la 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 mi re so 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 re do fa la 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 mi re so 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 re do fa.